Today we're going to explore the landmark case, Marbury versus Madison. What if someone gives you a job and then blocks you from doing it? That's exactly what happened in the very first Supreme Court case that gave the court real power. In 1801, President John Adams appointed William Marbury as a judge. To make it official, paperwork had to be delivered, but before it was delivered, a new president, Thomas Jefferson, took office. Jefferson's new Secretary of State, James Madison, refused to hand over Marbury's commission. A commission is the official document that says, "You've been appointed to a government job." It has to be signed, sealed, and delivered before the person can legally start working. Marbury was angry, so he sued. He went straight to the Supreme Court and said, "Make Madison give me the job." But Chief Justice John Marshall had a bigger idea. This case wasn't just about a job, it was about power. It is emphatically the province and duty of the Judicial Department to say what the law is. In other words, the Supreme Court gets the final say on what laws mean and whether they're constitutional. Marshall said Marbury should have gotten the job. But here's the twist. The law that gave the court power to hear the case was unconstitutional. So Marbury lost. But the Supreme Court gained something bigger: judicial review. Judicial review means the Supreme Court can strike down laws that go against the Constitution. And that power, it started with this one case. Marbury versus Madison, the case that gave the court its power. Now, the court keeps the other branches in check. That's the balance our government is built on.